Welcome back. Let's initialize the views and add the functionality for the second activity. We have two text views and one button. In the second activity, I'll start declaring and initializing the views. Let's go to the activity underscore second.xml. We have the title text view 2 ID, result text view, and share button as IDs for these views. Go to onCreate and let's initialize these views. And here we go. Now we need to create a function that generates random numbers and lottery numbers. Fun, generate random numbers, took into the parameter account, it's of type int, and the returning type of this function is a string. I need to return the 6 generated random numbers as a string. At first, I'll start with creating a list of random numbers. I'll start with var random numbers equals to list of count, and here I'll specify the items. List and passing the count creates a list of size count. If I pass 6 as a parameter for generate random numbers, I'll create a random numbers list of size 6. I assume that the lottery numbers are 6. So in this case, I'm creating a list of size count. And here I need to pass the lambda expression. Here I need to define a lambda expression that generates a random number between 0 and 42, for example, for each element in the list. I'll use 0 to 42 inclusive dot random method. 0 to 42, this represents a range of numbers from 0 to 42 inclusive. Random method. In Kotlin extension functions, we use random, which is a Kotlin extension function, on closed range, which is 0 to 42. That generates a random number within the specified range. So when you execute from 0 to 42 and I'm calling the random method, it will give you a random number between 0 and 42 inclusive. So this is the lambda expression that generates random numbers. Also, we can use another way to generate random numbers here by using the random class. I'll create val random equals to java.util.random class. I'll create val random number equals to random.nextInt. I'll generate random numbers between 0 and 10, but 10 is exclusive. So I'll replace it with 43. So 43 is the upper bound and not included. So this line will generate a random number between 0 and 42. And the random class, I'm creating an instance of this random class used to generate random numbers in Kotlin. And I'm using nextInt to generate random numbers, random integers. So the major difference is this method specifies an upper bound that will not be included. And this method will generate random numbers from 0 to 42, and 42 is included. I prefer using this because it's very simple and easy to understand. For this range, go and generate random number. The next step is to convert the list of numbers to a string and return this string. Return random numbers dot, and I'll use join to string method. and I'll use the separator, which is the space. So this is our random numbers list. And join to string is a Kotlin extension function that takes a separator string as an argument, and in this case, one space, and returns a single string that is the result of concatenating the elements of the list separated by the specified separator. So I'm transforming these numbers, every element in this random numbers, and separating and converting this list from integers to strings and separating every element inside this list by a space. So I'm using this to concatenate the elements of random numbers list into a single string where each element is separated by one space. Now I need to call this method in the onCreate method, and val random numbers equals to generate random numbers, and here I need to pass 6, which is the count. So I'm going to generate random numbers with count equals to 6.